let me show you how to connect Wise to a accounting software. If you want the transaction details of your Wise account and you want to connect it to a accounting software, let me show you the steps that you need to follow. Now keep in mind, in order for you to connect to a accounting software, you need to have a Wise business account. If you don't have a Wise business account or have not switched to a Wise business account, you won't be able to connect to any software. So head over to the profile section on the top right and make sure that you switch or open up a business account. Only once you've opened up or switched to a business account, you can head over to settings and head over to integration and tools. Inside of integration and tools, head over to apps and software and you'll be able to search up and choose different accounting softwares such as Xero or QuickBooks. Once you select your desired accounting software, you'll need to authorize to Wise that you really want to transfer the data that you have inside of Wise to different third-party platforms. So the platforms that you just selected, which are the accounting softwares. So just select the accounting software that you want and then provide access so that the accounting software can have all of the details inside of the transaction section. So that's the way that you connect your Wise account to different accounting softwares. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.